Most people drive past semi-trucks on the highway without a second thought. What they don't realize is that some of those rigs are hiding something extraordinary behind the cab, living spaces that would make a luxury apartment feel cramped. There's an entire world of super sleepers out there, and almost nobody talks about it. A world built for elite haulers, serious collectors, and the kind of people who refuse to compromise even when they're 1,500 miles from home. These drivers aren't sleeping in tight bunks with a curtain for privacy. They're waking up in full-size bedrooms, making coffee in real kitchens, and stepping into private bathrooms, all inside a structure rolling down the interstate at 65 miles per hour. These machines don't park at regular truck stops. Most people will never see one in person. Every single build on this list is rare, custom-made and packed with features that most homes don't even have. Each one tells a story about who built it, why, and just how far engineering and passion can push the concept of a truck. Stay with us all the way to number 1. It looks like a semi-crossed with a private yacht, and the backstory behind it is something nobody saw coming. International 9370, the government's secret hauler. International built the 9370 as a no-nonsense long-haul workhorse back in the 1990s, and it earned its reputation on the road. But this particular unit is something else entirely. Restored in 1996 and fitted with one of the rarest sleeper configurations ever assembled, the 190-inch Double Eagle. This truck carries over 16 feet of pure sleeper real estate, bolted directly behind the cab. It wasn't waiting in a showroom when it was found. Jesse Shirey spotted it sitting abandoned in tall grass beside a barn, practically swallowed by the landscape. He brought his wife and father into the project, and what followed was a full hands-on restoration built from the ground up. Hardwood floors, a copper ceiling, custom lighting, stainless steel trim, and craftsmanship that belongs in a design magazine. Step inside and you're looking at a heated shower, a full refrigerator, a dining table, cable TV, and enough room to genuinely stretch out. According to Shirey, only 4 sleepers of this configuration were ever manufactured, and this is the only one ever mounted on an international chassis. That alone makes it a one-of-a-kind piece of trucking history. The mechanical side is just as serious, a Caterpillar 5EK 6-cylinder engine producing around 475 horsepower, backed by an 18-speed manual transmission and a 3.21 rear differential. Reinforced suspension carries the weight of that massive sleeper without complaint. And then there's the history baked into the metal. This truck once moved NASA satellites and warhead components for the United States government, logging over 3 million miles in service. It showed up at MATS 2025 and stopped the show. Deep blue paint, blinding chrome, and a story that no one in attendance expected. The truck after this one turns luxury into something almost theatrical. Volvo Powerhouse Coach, the rolling penthouse. Standing next to this machine, most people assume it's a luxury motor coach or a racing team hauler. It is neither. What you're actually looking at is the Volvo Powerhouse Coach, a truck conversion built on a Volvo VN chassis that redefines how much living space a semi can carry. Bold red and yellow paint, chrome wheels, aerodynamic bodywork, and proportions that simply shouldn't belong to something that drives on public roads. The real engineering story is in the slide-outs. Multiple expanding sections push outward when the truck is parked, widening the interior into a living space that challenges high-end residential construction. This isn't a camper with an upgraded mattress. The Powerhouse Coach was designed to rival a proper home, and it gets very close. Volvo's D13 6-cylinder engine pushes out around 500 horsepower, paired with an automated multi-speed transmission tuned for long-distance comfort. The drivetrain handles the massive structure without drama. Inside, there's a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a full living room with a retractable sofa, and a kitchen loaded with an oven, full-size refrigerator, and electric cooktop. The bathroom features a glass shower and marble-style finishes. Climate, lighting, and entertainment run through a central digital management system. There's also a washer, dryer, satellite internet connection, and a compact office area. This kind of build targets executives, professional athletes, and anyone who needs total self-sufficiency without sacrificing comfort. Total length can push past 50 feet depending on the specific configuration. It was ordered completely custom for its original owner, making it rarer than it already looks. The one after this takes a completely different visual direction, all black, all business. Peterbilt 389 ARI, Mafia on the move. The Peterbilt 389 is the gold standard for custom builds, and ARI Legacy Sleepers are the people you call when you want to push that platform as far as it can go. This specific build, known by its road name, Mafia on the Move, is one of the most identifiable custom rigs in the United States. Bold red paint, blue and white detailing on the fenders, a 20-inch plus ARI sleeper, and the unmistakable logo of the Buffalo Bills NFL team displayed across the side panels. Under the hood, a Caterpillar C15 six-cylinder engine delivers around 550 horsepower through an 18-speed manual transmission. Dual axles, rear-wheel drive, and a full air suspension setup absorb the weight of the extended sleeper and carry it smoothly. The interior matches the exterior energy, a lounge area, dining table, full kitchen with cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and custom cabinetry. There's a double bed, a complete bathroom with shower, premium materials throughout, digital climate control, and a full entertainment system. It functions more like a well-equipped apartment than anything that belongs on a highway. What makes this build truly unrepeatable is the personal identity built into every component. From the paint scheme down to the illuminated branding details, this truck was constructed to reflect one specific owner's passion. No duplicate was made, and none ever will be. It's a confirmed standout at every major American truck event it attends. The Mafia on the Move has become a reference point in the custom rig world, not just a showpiece, but a statement about living life on the road with full conviction. The next one carries a different kind of weight, 100 years of history. Peterbilt 379 Ace Highways Orange Thunder. The Peterbilt 379 is already a classic. It earns respect every time it rolls past. But the Ace Highways version doesn't settle for earned respect. It demands immediate attention. Metallic orange paint, hand-fitted chrome details, and a finish that catches sunlight from a quarter-mile away. The sleeper was completely rebuilt and extended, integrated directly into the structure behind the cab to create one continuous, striking silhouette. Mechanically, a Caterpillar C15 six-cylinder engine produces around 550 horsepower and connects to an 18-speed manual transmission. Tandem axle, rear-wheel drive, and reinforced suspension carry the weight of the extended sleeper without hesitation. Inside, there's a double bed, a reclining sofa, a refrigerator, microwave, TV, dining table, climate control, and built-in storage. Dark wood, LED lighting, and chrome accents tie everything together into a small but genuinely comfortable living space. This isn't a budget build dressed up for a show. It was designed and refined over years. The Ace Highways 379 exists as a single unit, built exclusively for its owner with no duplicate. It travels the country as the company's most visible rolling statement, and at every truck show across the United States, it's one of the most photographed machines on the grounds. The owner still drives it personally. That kind of commitment is rare. The next truck adds a feature that changes the whole game, and it's not something you'd expect to find inside a sleeper cab. If this content is hitting the right notes for you, now's a good time to hit that like button and subscribe to Intense Industry. New videos go up every week. Peterbilt 567 RI 220, the one with the garage. Released in 2017, this Peterbilt 567 carries a 220-inch custom sleeper from ARI Legacy Sleepers that's over 18 feet of living space sitting behind a 390-inch wheelbase chassis. It already sounds excessive before you hear the feature that separates it from everything else on this list. Built directly into the rear of the sleeper is a fully functional motorcycle garage. The owner's home and his bike travel together in the same structure. The exterior wears a custom black, white, and red paint scheme with polished aluminum wheels and a profile that's immediately recognizable on the road. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX 13 six-cylinder engine produces around 510 horsepower, backed by an automated multi-speed transmission. Rear-wheel drive, tandem axle, and air suspension keep everything stable across the extended frame. Inside the sleeper, there's a double bed, convertible sofa, full kitchen with oven, cooktop, full-size refrigerator, microwave, and built-in cabinetry. The bathroom is complete with a shower. High-end materials, LED lighting, and brushed stainless steel finishes run throughout. The rear compartment holds a full-size motorcycle with internal access and a custom storage system built around the bike's dimensions. Park the truck, roll out the Harley, and explore. That's the entire concept. ARI Legacy is known for exceptional custom work, but this 220-inch version with an integrated garage is widely regarded as one of the most complete builds they've ever produced. It was a one-off order and has since influenced smaller builds that followed. Wherever it appears, it pulls a crowd. The truck coming up next takes the cab-over format somewhere most people thought was impossible. Freightliner Custom Argosy, the rolling mural. Seeing a cab-over truck in the United States these days is already unusual. Finding one with a 32-foot custom sleeper and a hand-painted ocean mural running the full length of its body, that's something from a different universe. This is the Freightliner Custom Argosy, built by Andy Babiak, and it is one of the most genuinely unique trucks ever to travel American roads. The base is a Freightliner Argosy, one of the last cabovers to see serious service and heavy U.S. duty. From there, Babiak rebuilt it into a 32-foot structure with 2 interior levels and artwork across every panel. No other Argosy in existence looks anything like this one. The power plant is a Detroit Diesel Series 66-cylinder engine rated at around 515 horsepower, paired with a 13-speed Eaton-Fuller manual transmission. Tandem axle, rear-wheel drive, and air suspension deliver the control needed to manage that rear-heavy structure. The interior is split across 2 floors. On the lower level, a full living room, kitchen with stove, microwave, and full-size refrigerator, plus a complete bathroom with shower. Above, an upper sleeping area framed by panoramic windows, digital climate control, and custom cabinetry throughout. Every detail, from the paint to the cabinetry, was built by hand. Babiak is a recognized name in the custom truck world, but the Argosy is his most celebrated work. It appears at shows and events regularly where the size of the sleeper and the hand-painted exterior stop traffic. There is genuinely no other truck like it. The next build might be the most boldly branded on the entire list. Peterbilt 389, full black custom, the dark horse. On a highway full of color, chrome, and noise, the Peterbilt 389 full black custom stands apart by doing the opposite. Deep black paint, a stretched chassis, and just enough chrome to remind you this machine is serious. Built by Pickett Custom Trucks and 1492 Coachworks, this is a project that put 2 respected names together and produced something that belongs in a different category. The engine is a PACCAR MX-13 6-cylinder unit delivering around 510 horsepower automated multi-speed transmission, rear-wheel drive, and reinforced air suspension. It drives like any other truck from the cab forward. What's behind that cab is where the story changes completely. The sleeper contains a full living room, a kitchen with built-in appliances, a glass door bathroom, a double bed, LED lighting, multi-zone climate control, and premium materials running throughout. The level of finish has more in common with a private jet interior than a traditional truck cab. Every surface, upholstery, woodwork, and electronic systems was executed to high-end motorhome standards. 1492, Coachworks handled the interior design while Pickett Custom Trucks managed the structural work and exterior integration. The result drives like a production truck and lives like a custom estate. At shows and industry events, the 389 full black creates a crowd the moment it parks. It isn't for sale. Even if it were, the list of people who could afford it would be short. The truck coming up next has even more square footage and takes things in a bolder direction. Kenworth W900L 100th Anniversary Edition, a century on wheels. When Kenworth decided to mark its 100th year in the trucking business, they didn't print a banner and call it done. They built a limited production truck that earns its anniversary designation with every detail. The W900L 100th Anniversary Edition features an exclusive midnight black pearl paint, red and silver stripes, a custom grille, polished wheels, LED lighting, and commemorative emblems across the cab. Classic American truck styling married to modern precision. The engine is a Cummins X15 6-cylinder unit producing 605 horsepower, backed by an 18-speed manual transmission. Dual axles, rear-wheel drive, and a tuned air suspension system carry the extended sleeper without any compromise to stability or comfort. Inside, the sleeper holds a double bed surrounded by red LED accent lighting, dark wood cabinetry, leather seating, a microwave, refrigerator, premium audio system, and 100th anniversary logo stitching on the upholstery. Every interior element was handcrafted to honor the company's century of innovation while delivering present-day comfort. Production numbers were limited to a small, selected group of buyers. Each truck came with a numbered plaque, transforming it from a working rig into a collectible. Owning one of these is less like buying a truck and more like acquiring a verified piece of American trucking history. No other machine in the industry combines operational capability with that level of heritage documentation. Number 1 on this list, though, makes even this one look understated. Volvo VNL with integrated garage, home sweet home. Every truck on this list does something impressive. This one does several things at once, all of them well. The Volvo VNL Home Sweet Home, built by DKA Custom Coach on a next-generation Volvo VNL chassis, stretches nearly 45 feet from front to rear. Behind the cab sits a full luxury living space. Behind that living space sits a motorcycle garage, built specifically to transport a Harley-Davidson with room to spare. The exterior is deep burgundy with an American bald eagle mural, a U.S. flag graphic, and the family's chosen name painted along the side in clear lettering. It's unmistakable. Under the hood, a Volvo D13 6-cylinder engine produces around 500 horsepower through an I-shift automated transmission. Dual axles, rear-wheel drive, and reinforced air suspension handle the load with balance. The living quarters include a king-size bed, full bathroom with shower, living room with reclining sofa, full kitchen with stove, microwave, and a dual-door refrigerator, plus dining area and extensive built-in storage. Wood, stainless steel, leather, and LED lighting throughout. The rear motorcycle garage features side entry and a hydraulic loading ramp. Park anywhere, lower the ramp, roll out the Harley, and move. The truck becomes a base camp with full independence, no campsite hookups, no hotel rooms, no limitations. This specific configuration exists once, built entirely to order with a layout found nowhere else. It's the intersection of semi-truck, luxury RV, and enclosed vehicle transport, all functioning as one unit. There is no production equivalent, there's no catalog to order it from, there is only this one. Peterbilt Shell Bootleggers Pulling Team. The Competition Command Center. Everything else on this list was built for comfort, lifestyle, or personal expression. This one was built for competition. The Shell Bootleggers Pulling Team operates in the world of professional tractor pulling, a sport that demands massive logistics, specialized equipment, and a home base that can move between events without losing a beat. This Peterbilt was engineered to be exactly that. The exterior announces itself before it stops moving. Bright green paint, black and white graphics, chrome wheels, a raised sleeper section, and integrated LED lighting across the entire structure. This isn't a color scheme chosen for subtlety. Mechanically, a Caterpillar C15 six-cylinder engine producing around 550 horsepower connects to an 18-speed manual transmission. Dual axles, rear-wheel drive, and reinforced air suspension keep the truck stable through long hauls and heavy configurations. The sleeper blends rest and function in equal measure. Dedicated sleeping quarters, a compact kitchen, a full bathroom, and intelligent storage zones designed for gear, parts, and competition equipment. Built-in spaces for support vehicles, including the team's quad bike. A mobile workshop section keeps the operation self-contained between events. Every component has a specific purpose. This truck was custom engineered to match the exact operational requirements of the pulling team. Nothing was included as decoration. There is no other unit built to this configuration because no other team has identical needs. At shows, championships, and industry events, it's consistently one of the most discussed machines in the parking area. It proves that a sleeper cab doesn't have to be about elegance alone. Sometimes it's about raw operational excellence packed into a single rolling structure.